welcome to my channel. Today's stories are from Jasper's Joke Tales. And remember, if you make someone laugh, you just might make their day. Our first story is called The Talking Parrot. A man walks into a pet store and sees a parrot in a cage that looks very sad. So he asks the store owner, "Why is this parrot so sad?" The store owner replies, "He's not sad. He's just lonely and needs a friend. So I put him in a bigger cage with another parrot, but he still looked sad. So I got 2 more parrots and put them in the cage with him, but it didn't help. No matter how many parrots I put in that cage, he always looked sad. Do you know what the problem was?" The man says, "Well, I guess I don't." "Why don't you tell me?" The store owner says, "I don't know. Maybe one of them is gay." Our next story is called Stuck in the Middle. 2 friends were driving down a country road when suddenly they ran out of gas. They were in the middle of nowhere, so they started walking to the nearest house to ask if they could use a phone to call for help. As they were walking, they passed a sign that said, "Beware of dog." And sure enough, a big dog came running out from behind the bushes, barking furiously. The dog started chasing them down the road, and the 2 friends were too scared to run because the dog looked like it wanted to eat them. Then one of the guys stopped and turned around and yelled at the dog, "Hey dog, get lost or I'll shoot you." The dog stopped in its tracks and looked at the guy for a moment. Then it turned around and walked back into the bushes. The 2 friends continued walking, and soon they came across another sign that said, "Beware of dog." But by this time, they weren't scared at all. One of the guys even said, "Hey dog, come on out here. We're not afraid of you anymore." The dog came out from behind the bushes and started walking alongside the 2 friends as they continued down the road. Our next story is called Camping Out. 2 guys were camping out in the woods and they hadn't made a fire yet, so they decided to go look for some wood to start a fire. As they were walking through the forest, they came across a small cabin and started knocking on the door. Just then, an old man opened the door and asked them what they wanted. They told him that they were lost and needed some wood to start a fire, but the old man said he didn't have any wood they could use. Then one of the guys asked, "Well, do you mind if we use your bathroom?" The old man replied, "No, of course not. It's right down the hall and through the first door on the left." The 2 guys thanked him and went inside to use the bathroom. When they came out, they couldn't find the door they had just come through. They started looking all over for it, but they couldn't find it anywhere. Then they heard the old man laughing to himself, and when they asked him why he was laughing, he said, "Because you guys are really stupid." Confused, they asked him what he meant, and he said, "You knocked on my door and asked for wood, but you're standing in front of my fireplace." Our next story is called Bowling for Soup. A guy walks up to the bowling alley counter and says, "I'd like to bowl a game, please." The counter guy says, "Okay, but we're closed for business." The guy says, "What? Why are you closed? It's only 11 a.m. The counter guy replies, "We're closed 'cause we're under new management." The guy says, "Oh, okay. Well, when are you going to open?" The counter guy says, "We're going to open at noon." The guy says, "Well, I guess I'll just wait around until then." The counter guy says, "Sorry, but you can't do that either." The guy says, "What? Why not?" The counter guy replies, "'Cause we're under new management." The guy says, "Oh, okay. Well, how about if I just sit outside until noon?" The counter guy says, "Sorry, but you can't do that either." The guy says, "What? Why not?" The counter guy replies, "'Cause we're under new management." The guy says, "Oh, okay. Well, when will you be open tomorrow?" The counter guy says, "We're open tomorrow at noon." The guy says, "Great. Well, I guess I'll see you then." And our final story is called Lost at Sea. A man and a woman were sailing their boat in the ocean when suddenly the woman fell overboard. The man was shocked, but quickly jumped into the water to save her. After a few moments of struggling, he managed to get her back into the boat, and as she laid there, coughing and sputtering, he asked her, "Are you okay?" She looked at him and replied, "No, I'm not okay. I'm actually furious." He said, "Furious? Why are you furious?" She said, "Because you should have let me drown." He said, "What? Why would you want to drown?" She said, "Because I was getting tired of you telling me to hold the mayonnaise and pass the salt."